How to create smart pop-up discount on Shopify. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys step by step how to build the best smart pop-up discount on your Shopify store. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard. Then I will give you an example on smart pop-up discount on Shopify. As you see guys, this is the smart pop-up discount. As you know guys, the smart pop-up discount, it will appear automatically when you're opening the store, and I will show you on this video step by step how to easily create the same pop-up discount on your Shopify store and how to customize anything. You can edit and add, for example, smart your story with 15% or anything, first name, email, and get 50% off. Then guys, make sure to finish this video until the end to be able to create the same smart pop-up discount on your Shopify. So let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard, then on the bottom hit on settings. Then guys, scroll down to apps and sales channel. Then guys, go directly to Shopify App Store on the top. Then you need to add and install application and tap on the search bar pop-up. There guys, this is the bunch of different applications using smart pop-up discount, but I prefer to choose this one, Pop Convert, because it's very easy and you can use and customize your smart pop-up without no issue, and easy to use your application. Then guys, tap the pop, then guys hit on install, then wait a few seconds guys to install the application on your Shopify store, on your Shopify account. Then guys, hit on install in the bottom. Then guys, it will take you directly to dashboard application. As you see guys, pop convert pop-ups banners. As you know guys, this is the dashboard of the applications. It's then guys, scroll down. Then if you want to create a new pop-up discount, then hit on collect and convert and hit on pop-ups. Then guys, scroll to create a campaign. Then guys, it gives you 6 different options. You can create for get subscribes or traffic or announcement or social sales or campaign. For example, I prefer to choose, for example, this one, offer coupons on your visitors. Please enter the name. You need to add the name, for example, discount, then hit on create. Then guys, this is your pop-up smart. And then guys, if you want to customize, then I will show you the easy steps to edit the smart pop-up on your Shopify. And then guys, for example, first the background color, you can choose this one or this one. For example, I prefer this one. Then guys, the main title color, the green, I prefer to choose the black one. The text color, also the black one. Then guys, the background image, if you want to upload some image, you can add library image. For example, I will add an image from devices, for example this one, upload, hit on done. As you see guys, it looks just an example. You can add anything you want. And then guys, if you want to remove this image, you can hit on a remove image, then automatically your image will remove it. Then guys, scroll down, then you can the background overlay opacity, then you can make it small or bigger. Then scroll down, then guys, go directly to content and the left side. Then guys, you can add some text, for example this one. You can remove follow us on a social media, and this one, tap get 15% discount, for example, just an example. discount. You can make it bigger like this, like this. You can change the color also. Then guys, the front, you can add the email, the name. You can add the name, or you can remove it, or phone number, for example. Just an example, guys. The submit button, you can add subscribe or add like, for example. Then and the coupon section, you need to add the code, for example, and a code. You can create your code on your Shopify store. Then diver text, follow us to catch the latest promotion. Then you can make it also bigger, and you can add the link. If you click on follow, it will take you directly to another website, for example. Then guys, in the settings in the bottom, you can customize anything on display also. Then guys, after creating your pop-up discount, just hit on publish. Then automatically your smart pop-up discount, it will appear on your Shopify store automatically when you opening your Shopify store in the first time. As you see guys, this is the easy steps to create your pop-up discount in your Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.